Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double-bounded cell membrane which is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. It was discovered by Kolliker in 1880. The term mitochondria was given by Benda. It is known as semi-autonomous because it is slightly depends on the cell. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell because it extracts energy from food through cellular respiration. Structure of mitochondria. The structure of mitochondria is made up of inner membrane, cristae, outer membrane, ribosome, inner membrane space, matrix, and DNA. Inner mitochondrial membrane. The inner mitochondrial membrane is the mitochondrial membrane which separates the mitochondrial matrix from the intermembrane space. Cristae. A cristae is a fold in the inner membrane of a mitochondria. Outer mitochondrial membrane. The outer mitochondrial membrane fully surrounds the inner membrane with a small intermembrane space in between. Mitochondrial ribosome. The mitochondrial ribosome or mitrosome is a protein complex that is active in mitochondria and functions as a riboprotein for translating mitochondrial mRNAs encoded in mtDNA. Mitroribosomes, like cytoplasmic ribosomes, consist of two subunits, large and small. Intermembrane space. The intermembrane space is the space occurring between two or more membranes. Matrix. In the mitochondria, the matrix is the space within the inner membrane. The word matrix stems from the fact that this space is viscous compared to the relatively aqueous cytoplasm. Mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is the DNA located in mitochondria, cellular organelles within eukaryotic cells that convert chemical energy from food into a form that cells can use. ATP. Functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria is the main site of cellular respiration. The energy produced during cellular respiration will be stored in the form of ATP. ATP is responsible for various life processes